Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, so here. And, well, you have watched the video on DIY Woodworking TV how I made this jump ramp for RC cars, and now it's time to test it. I've got the XK Buggy and the Mad Monster truck here as well. Starting with, let's start with the Buggy first and see how it goes. Take it slow. I don't want to jump too high because it's really hard concrete here, and I don't want to damage my RC cars. So if you're interested to see how I build this RC jump ramp, go ahead and check out the video on DIY Woodworking TV. The link is in video description. I'm gonna take it slow first. So this is our second jump. Yeah. How high was it? At least you have to, sit down and check. Whoa, the curve that I wanted is exactly the way I wanted. It's not too much, it's not too low, too little. It's perfect for stabilizing the jumps and getting the thing in the air. Doesn't throw the back in the air and doesn't throw the nose down either. Absolutely awesome, man. It's gonna break my buggy, man. It's gonna definitely break. Let's do the control jumps. Those are really nice. Yeah, see, control jumps are good. That was nice, man. That was nice. It's almost here, man. Really, almost here. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that is long distance for jumps. Here comes another jump. I'm gonna damage the shocks maybe. It depends how good is the shocks quality. Now I don't know if I am going to break the jump ramp or not, but it's time to test the Mad Monster 1/50 scale and see how it jumps. I hope I don't break the ramp. It's a heavy truck. The ramp is not wide enough actually. See? I thought I was making it wider. That's even longer jump than the XK Buggy. The Mad Monster is really much more balanced truck. here. Right here, man. How much distance is this? How much distance is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like about 6 meters or more.
Landing.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.